That way you'll be ready to grab it. Ma'am? You've just been walking around? Yeah. Go to the station. Yep. Go to the station. Yep. All right, Alfredo, what did you do first on number 1?
I subtract 16.
Subtract 16?
Yes.
Okay. And so when I subtract 16,
-1.
well, I have 7b minus 8b. Hey, why is there so much talking like that? Equals how much?
-18.
Negative 18, right? All right, now what do I do?
Now you subtract.
Subtract those two?
-1.
Negative 1b. There you go.
Positive 18.
How?
Because you divided it.
Uh-huh. Yep. Positive 18. Very nice. All right, what about number 2?
Go to the x line.
X at positive 2. So this is the x-axis, right? Positive 2 is right here.
Then
Solid line, right? Solid line here. Up or down or left and right?
Up and down.
Up and down, up and down. All right. Where's this shade? To the left or to the right? Left. To the left, to the left. And on in the bottom. Who was singing that? Kelvin? Or is that somebody was singing? Never mind. All right, here we go. Let's look at number 3. What's it say first? What's the first angle it gives you?
BAC.
BAC, right? So where is BAC? It is
Yes.
the top one. See the top one? How much is that?
X plus 1.
X plus 20. All right, what else do they give you?
90.
What's 90?
ACB.
What is that?
I mean, BAD. Bad. Bad.
Bad. What is that, though?
90.
That's 90 degrees, right? Okay, so let's see. So BAD, that's the whole thing, right?
Yes.
So the whole thing is 90. What else do they give me? CAD, and they want to know what that is, right? No, it's not.
7.
Okay, so I want to know what that is.
You
So these two pieces,
subtract
no, these two pieces have to do what to be 90?
187.
Guys, I take this pen, right? And I break it in half. And I have two pieces. In order to put those pieces back together, they have to do what? Add, right? Okay, so watch what happens. X plus 20 plus something. When I put them back together, what do they give me?
9.
Equals 90, not plus 90.
90 minus 1.
Now minus the 20. There you go.
7.
So you got 70. Okay, so which ones can I mark out because they're not 70?
K, J.
K and J. And I can mark out F. Why can I mark out F? Because what kind of 70 is that? Negative. Oh my gosh, I narrowed it down to 2 answer choices. Are y'all okay? Alright, now I gotta get this little question mark by itself. I gotta figure out what this is. So how can I get rid of this X? Minus the X. Okay, so what do I got? Something is 70 minus x. Which one's 70 minus x? G. There you go. Are y'all okay? Y'all have got to quit leaving those questions blank. You got to start working on them. All right, here we go. Here's what we're going to do today. You have your notes from Thursday, because Friday we reviewed, right? So grab those notes from Thursday. Let me get them real quick and I'll show you what they look like. Looks like this. Y'all have that? Oh, you know what? I didn't take roll yet.
Sure, that's what he said. Is that what he said?
Autumn, do you have a patch or something for me? No. Well, you need to go get one. What'd she say? Ma'am?
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You think you got one or more, and you add. What are you gonna add?
Alrighty, here we go on number 1. You ready? How many U's do I have right here?
3.
No. 9. How many do I have right here?
3.
How many do I have right here? 1. Okay. So it is U to the 9 plus 3 plus 1, which is 13, not 12. Alfredo, turn around here. Be somebody and go somewhere. That has nothing to do. No, what? What about Sister Act 2? No, I didn't. Is that from Sister Act 2? Oh, I didn't get it from there. Okay, so let's like this. Anything to the 0 power is 1. You better save your friend a seat at the movies. Remember that story I told you? You better save him a seat. So this is y to the 4 times 1. What is anything times 1?
4. What it is?
What itself. There you go. Which in this case is 4. Yes. Alright, now look. How many bases do I have here? There's just one Q, right? What do I do to these two? Multiplication. There you go. Q to the 6 times 5. What's that? 30. Y'all okay? Okay, let's review our rules up here. You ready? When you multiply the bases, you do what? What did we do here when we were multiplying the U's? You add the exponents, the little numbers, right? You add the little numbers, the exponents. All right. What about number 3? When I have one base, what do I do? Multiply the little numbers. Multiply the exponents. What about number 2? 0 power is 1. 1. You gotta save your friend a seat at the movies. I still haven't gone to see my Medea movie. I'm gonna have to go see her this week.
You take me with you?
No.
No. That was the most disrespectful no. No. You said that so quick.
It's not a disrespectful no, dear.
It was me, and you turned me down.
No.
Hurt my feelings.
No. No. You shouldn't even be asking me that question. No. No. Alright, let's look at number 4. You ready? Okay, now look. 2 is a regular number, right? So this is 2 to the what power? What's on the outside? 6. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So, take your calculator. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. How much is that?
64.
64. Did you use your calculator to make sure you could do the same thing?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Half of you don't even have a calculator. Use your calculator. Physically put it in your hands. Aaliyah, did you try it, dear? You sure? You're positive. Okay. Alright, so this is 64. Alright, how many bases of x do I have? 1. There's 1 x here. So what do I do to the little numbers when there's 1 x? No, you don't. You multiply. 1 base, you multiply. Look at the top. Well, we just did it. 1 base. Stop talking before I move your seats. That's the final warning. Stop. So what's 6 times 1? 6. Alright, how many bases of y do I have? How many bases? 1. There's 1 base. Look right here. How many bases of u's were there? 3. Okay. How many bases of y's are here? 1. 1 base, what do I do? Multiply. What's 4 times 6? 20. How much? 24. Jackson, quit talking. 5. Here we go. 4 is a regular number, right? Normal number. 4 to what power? Alright, 4 times 4. There's 2 of them. 16. Okay, how many bases of A do you have? 1. So what do I do to the 4 and 2? What's 4 times 2? 8. Don't forget the A. How many bases of B do you have? 1. What do I do? What's 9 times 2? 18. Don't forget the B. Alright, what number is right here with the C? 1. How many bases of C do you have? How many bases of C? 1. So what do I do to 1 times 2? Multiply. You get 2. You didn't answer my question, dear. That wasn't what I was asking. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh, what is this crazy thing right here? Okay, I'm not worried about him. Just bring him down. Just bring him down. Why am I bringing him down? Because he's not inside of the what? The parentheses. There you go. 2 is a regular number, okay? Regular number. So 2 squared. 2 times 2. How much is that?
8.
4. You have a calculator. Get it out and use it. Quit guessing stuff. It's not funny.
Who's guessing?
All the 3 amigos in the back. Alright, how many bases of x do you have? 1. So what do I do to the 1 and the 2? Multiply. What's 1 times 2? 2. How many bases of y do you have? 1. What do I do to the little numbers? Multiply. So y to the 4. Y'all okay?
So you don't do anything with y.
No, it's just there, dear. It's not inside the parentheses. It's there to make you think so you don't freak out.
But the little t is not.
Huh?
The next one.
It's the next one right here. It's going to all these.
That's easy.
No, it's not. Yes, Autumn. Because this is 4 to the 2nd power, which is 4 times 4. That's 16. Alright, number 7. Here we go. Number 7, number 7, number 7. 3 is a regular number, right? Okay. 3 to what power? That means I have 2 3s. What's 3 times 3? 9. Hopefully you're writing this down and with us. Hopefully, because if I come over there and you have nothing on your desk, and you have no pencil or anything, you're not even writing, it's going to be bad for you. Y'all okay? Okay. Alright, how many bases of x are there? 1. So what do I do to 1 times 2? Multiply x to the 2nd. There you go. How many bases of y? 1. What do I do to 4 times 2? Y to the 8. Y'all okay? Alright, here we go. Number 8. Negative 2 is, oh no, we can't do that yet. What can I do first?
Exponent.
Exponents, right here. What do I do to these two? Multiply. What's 2 times 3? 6. Ooh, that almost got me. I wasn't paying attention. Alright, how many negative 2's do I have? 6. Woo! Okay, negative 2, 2, negative 2's, 3, 4, 5, 6. Positive or negative 64? Negative?
Positive.
I think Autumn's right.
Yes, I said
She's right. Positive 64. Very good, Autumn. Alright, y to the... Alright, what? 1y, right? So what do I do to these two? Multiply. Y to the 6. There you go. Last one, you ready? Then you got homework. Oh, that's great. You got 20 minutes to do it in too, so I don't want to hear it. Alright, here we go. Don't look at this one. Let's look at that. So 2 to what power? 4. So I have 4 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 is 16. Yes. Y'all okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How many bases of A do I have? 1. 1. So what do I do to the 3 and the 4? Multiply. What's 3 times 4? 12. A to the 12. Don't forget the A. Y'all okay? All right. Bring this down. Bring it down. All right, cover this one up. Let's look at these parentheses. How many A's do you have? No, 1 base, right? What do I do to these two? Multiply. What's 3 times 3? A to the 9. There you go. But I'm not done. Don't circle it. Bring this down. Are y'all okay? Why?
Because you're exaggerating.
How many A's do I have now? 2. When I multiply the bases, what do I do to the little numbers? Add them. So, what's 12 plus 9?
21.
There you go. Very good. Are y'all okay? Alright, I think this is homework 4, right? I think so. And that's right. Alright, look, you've got a book right underneath your desk. Grab your book real quick. Right underneath your desk. Let's see, page 394. Coach, Miss Ware, we're going to move on to something different tomorrow, okay? On to something different tomorrow. Let's see, 38, 42, 46, and 48. Where's that at? Alright, this book's not staying up here very long, so if you don't have a textbook, you need to get one. It's just staying up here for the video, really. So we're doing 38, 42. Look, 42 is just like number 9 we just did, okay? 42 is just like number 9. Cameron, is there not one underneath your desk here? Okay, when you finish that with that book, just put that book underneath that desk, okay? What's after 42? 46? 46. Oh, Lord, 46 is just long, okay? And then, what's the last one? 48? Y'all okay? Okay. All right.